On Thursday, Rahul Gandhi put out another video criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi for failing to restore the status quo on the Ladakh border. While the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has been accusing Congress leader Rahul Gandhi of indulging in politics in adverse conditions, his videos lashing out at the Modi government are attracting a massive following on the internet. Days after Indian and Chinese military leaders agreed on a mutual phase de-escalation along the line of actual control (LAC) in eastern Ladakh, China has refused to pull back from the strategically significant Pangong Tso Lake area and the Gogra post. Reacting to the same, Rahul Gandhi on Thursday fired a fresh salvo at Prime Minister Modi and his government policies through a video on social media platforms. This was the third video within a week by the Rahul Gandhi on the issue. Rahul Gandhi's fresh salvo at the Prime Minister has set off a fresh round of spat between the Congress and BJP. A key member of the Congress party's communications strategy team and its national media in charge Randeep Surjewala told India Today TV that failed attempt to hide the fact that Chinese have taken our land in Ladakh has exposed BJP's nationalism plank. PM Modi and his ministers need to understand that hyper-nationalism cannot substitute real defense of our territorial integrity and national security, and that is what Rahul Gandhi has been urging the PM to do. Please remember, when Pulwama happened, PM was busy shooting in Jim Corbett. When Doklam happened, PM permitted Chinese to occupy large parts of the Doklam Plateau. The same thing is happening now, Surjewala said. BJP IT cell head Amit Malviya thinks otherwise. If Rahul Gandhi and his team believe that election can be won by putting one video on social media every day, then God help the party. His videos are repetitive and devoid of facts. Only good for entertainment, nothing else, Amit Malviya said. Notwithstanding the BJP criticism, the Congress party is going full steam ahead with launching Rahul Gandhi's podcast to counter Prime Minister Modi's Mann Ki Baat radio program soon.